Scrape off any excess fat you've actually got on the actual surface of the plate. Scrape down anything that's on the top plate. Okay, take a cloth, wipe down, get rid of anything else that's on the actual surface, all the flavour contamination, etc. You can see it's wiping it perfectly clean. Doesn't matter if you scratch the surface or whatever to the actual cooking plate at all. With it being an aluminium plate, it won't transfer onto the actual food products when you come to do your next cooking. There you go. Here I have a diagram of the internal of what's happening on the cooking surfaces during the actual cooking process on the surface of the grill. We can see that the top and the bottom plate are of even heat distribution, so when they actually close together and come in contact with the actual food product, it's actually giving it an even heat distribution across the surface of the plate. Here we have a typical double grill. On this actual grill itself, it's a smooth plated grill. Our business for the last 3 decades has sold only 2 sizes, either a double or a single. Don't really need much more than that in different size establishments we deal with. Again, it has various different features upon the grill. The actual cooking surfaces themselves are actually made of aluminium, and therefore you end up with the even heat distribution, with it being a 1-pore metal surface. It doesn't have any pores actually in the surface, therefore everything that's actually on the surface of the metal can either be removed or scraped. Again, it has such other features such as the floating hinges at the back, and this allows it to contour and coggle laterally and vertically and horizontally, if you like, upon the grill surfaces, and also having the added feature of being to float back upwards as well with various different products. Also, easy to clean surfaces, which you'll see during the demonstrations, is actually a simple scrape through with a metal scraper, scrape to the back of the plate. And again, if you've got really fatty, juicy products, then you can actually tilt the actual feet to actually adjust, and nobody's counter surfaces are perfectly level in any establishment. Okay, these can be pulled out during cooking surfaces and actually scraped out and placed in the dishwasher at any point. The added features of actually having the components actually in the base, keep it away from the actual heat source. This gives you the longevity of the machine. Also, within here, with them being locked away inside, or being away from the heat source, it means you end up with cool counter work prep surfaces all the way around the grill. Here at the front of the grill we have a power on lamp, a thermostat lamp, a thermostat dial to gauge the temperature, and also a digital timer. The digital timer is a great device, not only just for training, but also for actually enabling you to time and get consistency and efficiency within your establishment, and also to get consistency and efficiency with your staff levels as well. It can be simply like a car radio. You can program it exactly in minutes and seconds, exactly where you want to be. And once you know your depths of your products, the quality of your food, etc., you'll actually then learn what times each product will take, and it will be the same time every time, all the time. Simply scroll through by pressing the center button, scrolls through the 7 times which are stored on this machine. With it being a double, it actually has 14 times which can be stored. You simply scroll through wherever you want to go, simply press the start button, and away you go. Hence it's on a visual countdown now. Now I can be going off, once I've shut the lid obviously, going off and actually going to serve a customer, be it that I'm off to go take the money at the till, or be it that I'm watching the school children at the back of the shop, or simply that I need to take myself a break and take myself away or pull a pint. It's very simple and quick to use, and again you'll hear it tone as well as you see it flash. One of the other key features of actually using digital timers though within group organisations or within teams is that means that once the actual grill product's actually placed upon the actual cooking surfaces, it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be yourself that actually takes it off. Once the team knows how long those products take, all they're actually looking for then is a visual show that the clock is either reset or it's flashing to actually say, please take me off, I'm ready to be served.